Okay, here we go again. Okay, here we go. This is the third pistol, I call this. Pistol's only headquarters. Okay. Yeah, that guy toasted me there. Sorry about not talking that much. Okay, okay, commentary on. But, yeah, one more, there we go, 1 kill, victory, there we go, yeah. We have to do that again, man, that was fun. Yeah, can we do that again? That was fun. Again. Yeah, again, that was fun. It's really good practice, too. Yeah, I don't know. No launchers. Oh, they put it to normal. See, they're fucking tards. You know what? I hate tards because they're tard. They're just good because they're gonna lose again. You know that? Bastards. But yeah, we won 49. I came in second, I think. But catch.